You gotta live life like you love to give, and you'll get the life you love to live. Follow your dreams and be unique. You gotta be confident, don't be shy.
Hey you, I'm Mr. Shy Guy, and I have a huge collection of magical shoes that I call power shoes. Each pair of these magical power shoes possess a unique power hidden within the soles of the shoe. And every time I put on a pair of power shoes, then activate them with a special power charm, the shoes energize me with their magical powers, giving me the ability to take on anything. Today, I'm going to share with you my very special Superstar Power Shoes and show you how I made them step by step, turning them from these to these. Don't you just love how sparkly they are? Welcome to my show, Mr. Shy Guy's Power Shoes. So when I was a kid, I was always very shy, and sometimes that feeling of shyness still comes back to me, especially before some of my concerts.
You gotta live life like you love to give, and you'll get the life you love to live.
So I needed a pair of power shoes that would make me feel like a confident superstar every time I slipped them on. Superstar shoes. Power. Instantly make you a superstar anytime you put them on. Power charm. Gold shining star with blinging crystals. These shoes are already pretty flashy and blingy, making them perfect to become loud and proud superstar power shoes. But they can use some personal elements to help give me the superstar powers that I need. And this is how I made them. First, I used glittery gold sticker letters to spell out my motto, "Don't be shy," on the soles of the shoe. Every time I start to feel shy, I just say my motto, "Don't be shy," over and over, which always helps me to overcome shyness. I wanted to put "Don't be shy" on all four sides of the shoe so I can always be reminded of it. Some glitter stars always add some extra star power. You can never have too many glitter stars, so I put them all over the shoe to remember I'm a superstar. Last comes the power charm. The power charm activates the shoe's powers. For these superstar shoes, the power charm is a shining gold star with crystals. And both shoes need a power charm to balance out the magical powers. There, perfect. Shining star power charms have now activated the Superstar Power Shoes. And when I look down at the shoes and see the Superstar Power Charms blinging back at me, that's how I know the powers are working. And now, every time I put them on, I will get magical superstar powers from these awesome power shoes.
You gotta live life like you love to give, and you'll get the life you love to live. Follow your dreams and be unique. You gotta be confident, don't be shy. Give like life is infinite, and you'll get what you put into it. Follow your dreams you wanna achieve. You gotta be confident, don't be shy.
I definitely won't be shy in these. Well, thanks for joining me today. I have so many more amazing magical power shoes to show you, so you'll definitely want to check back and see all of my power shoes videos. Plus, why not make some power shoes of your own at home? It's so much fun. I'm Mr. Shy Guy, and I will see you next time. And remember, don't be shy.
You gotta be confident, don't be shy. Gotta be confident, don't be shy. Gotta be confident, don't be shy.